This is a quick demo of the Fulcra CLI tool, which you can use with Claude or ChatGPT or Openclaw or any agent. I've just asked Claude to install the CLI tool, which will give it access to all of my Fulcra data, including data that's being collected from Context, our data collector app, on my phone. And right now it is going to authenticate to the Fulcra backend. And I've confirmed that authentication. I've asked it to give me a summary of my day. Right now it's pulling data from the Fulcra backend to build me an interactive summary. All right, I've got the summary here and it's got a map of my location. It's pulled some other useful data. I want to tell it that I forgot to log my morning pills at 8 a.m. and I did a 20-minute cold plunge at 7. It's sending that data back to the Fulcra backend. And if I look at my timeline, if I refresh my timeline,